Something happened, and now I know He touched me and made me. Something is happening, and now I know He touched me and made me. He touched me. Jesus touched me. Oh, I know what joy that fills my soul. Something happened, and now I know He touched me and made me. With you, Lord, I can be naked and not ashamed. With you, Lord, I can be open and have no fear. For I found in you a friend that I can trust. That is why you remain mine. I have found a place where I can pour my heart. I have found a place where I can be myself. A place where there are no secrets to hide. A place where I can be safe after it all. Baba, with you, Lord, I can be naked and not ashamed. Who has that testimony here today? With you, Lord, I can be no peace. For I found in you a friend that I can trust. You're the one who cares how I'm feeling. You're the one who cares. You're the one who cares how I'm feeling. You're the one who cares. You are good. Whoa. You are good. Whoa. Despite everything, I am full of the consciousness of your consciousness of me. I know absolutely. You know, I was praying with the song today. You are good. Whoa, tasted of you are. Whoa, despite everything, I am full of the consciousness of your consciousness of me. I know absolutely you're the one who cares how I'm feeling. You're the one who cares. When I'm heartbroken, when I have no place to go, you're the one who cares how I'm feeling. I see Jesus seated. There's something happening here already. The power of God is already hitting people and touching people. Can you begin to speak in other tongues? Because God is here. Something is erupting from this place. Wherever you are, can you begin to speak in tongues that will chase the devil out of this place? Left, right, center, back, front. Everywhere you are, open your mouth and lift up your hands. And let us tear down this place with something here. When you are here,
Yes.
when you are here,
Yes.
when you are here, 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 Jesus, you are here.
You are here.
Jesus, you are here. Hey, Jesus, you are here. Jesus, you are here. Jesus, you are here. When you are here, 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 we know you have come. We know you have entered here. We know you are here. When you are here, blind eyes pop open. Can you find a spot and begin to enjoy the presence of Abba in this place? The power of God is so strong in this place. Hugging people, showing them love that man cannot give to them. Ah, hey, ha ha ha, hey, ooh. See what he's doing already? He's hugging people now. Jesus, you are here. Ooh. No need for flesh. I see Spirit of the living God here. Jesus, you have entered. We saw you when you walked past this place. Can you enjoy the presence of Abba? Find a place and be vulnerable in this place. Unashamedly. Ah, hey, whoa, Jesus, so I wanna more. If you know Jesus, so I wanna more. I wanna Jesus Christ. I wanna more. I wanna more. If you know Jesus, so more. I wanna more if you know Jesus. So Lord, it is me, the one you love. Lord, it is me. Lord, it is me. I'm the one you saved. Lord, I am desperate for you. Oh, I am desperate for you. Lord, it is me. I'm the one you possessed. Lord, I am. Yeah. See what God is already doing in this place. Lord, it is me. I'm the one that encountered you. Lord, I am. I am deeply in love. Oh, no, no. Lord, it is me. I'm the boy you picked. Lord, I am. Lord, it is me. I'm the boy you raised. Lord, I am. I am hungry for your love. Hungry for your love. I am hungry for your touch. Right in this place. I am hungry for your touch. Hungry for your touch. Lord, it is me. I'm the orphan boy. Lord, I am here. Help me, Lord, take my weakness away. Give me your strength so I can worship you. Anima kamanima moka. Osimano kamemano. Aniama kamanina. Afri priva no moke breva. O babi babeloko. Anana. I am deeply in love. Encounters everywhere. Deeply in love. 24/7. Every day you come.
That's right.
You come through for me. I had no essence. Had no meaning, Lord. You showed up for me. What did I do to deserve this kind of love? What did I do to sit at your right? What did I do to deserve this kind of love? To deserve this kind of love.
Banana huli alumba bahane alumba neteita ai paratande senefida na ai panate yele sevili ya paria paria nato